Hello everybody, my name's Beth. This is Annabelle.
Hello, I've got something really funny to say.
Oh yeah? What is it?
Well, I went and told a lot of people at school that I saw Billy kissing Sally.
Oh, is that true?
Nah.
Is that even nice? Do you think Billy would like that?
uh, nah, probably not, but I thought it was funny.
Annabelle, that's actually gossip. You've just spread something that's not true, and you've just done damage to Billy too.
I know what I can do. I'll fix it. I'll go around and I'll tell everybody it's not true.
I want to give you an activity, Annabelle. See this? I want you to go and spread that all over the grass.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
All right, let's do it. Okay, see this? Spread that over the grass.
Okay.
Get it everywhere, Annabelle.
I'm doing it.
All over.
Look, it's done.
Okay. Now, Annabelle, I want you to go and pick that all up, okay?
Pick it up.
Yep, pick it up.
All right.
See how much I want you to get as much as you can off that grass.
All right. I'm having trouble.
How much could you get?
Not very much.
Annabelle, that's what happens when we tell lies and spread rumours about people that are not true. And when you go back to try and tell people, it doesn't always work because they may not have believed it, and then by then they've already told other people. And the Bible says that we need to be careful about gossip and what we say about other people, especially if it's not true, okay?